Part 3, a respected listener. A very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students of BSc Part 3, I will deliver today the lecture on contour diagram for electron, charge, density, distribution for hydrogen molecule ion, which is taken from BSc Part 3, selected from Unit 2nd, titled as Molecular Orbital Theory. Dear students of BSc Part 3, once again I bring to draw your kind immediate notice and focus on our previous lecture, in which we were expressing about the LCO treatment for hydrogen molecule ion, in which the necessary equation we have derived, including the mixing coefficient C1, C2, energy for bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbitals, and wave functions for molecular orbitals and anti-molecular orbitals, in the content of LCO treatment of H2 plus ion. Let us proceed today's. Let us draw the contour diagram for H2 plus ion for both the condition. First of all, I will draw the curve for bonding molecular orbitals as contour diagram for electron, charge, density in molecular orbital of H2 plus ion. Let us start. Case first, for bonding C1 is equals to plus C2. In our previous lecture, we have derived equation number that is of 10 and that is of equation number 11. From equation number that is of 10, on squaring of equation number 10, psi 1 is equals to psi s is equals to psi a plus psi b upon root 2 plus twice ACB. Its bonding molecular orbitals, its energy E1, one can express as HAA plus HAB 1 plus SAB. On squaring of equation number that is of 10, we have psi 1 square psi s square, S4 that is of symmetric, 1/4 that is of bonding, psi a plus psi b upon root twice plus twice ACB, its whole square. On solving further, psi 1 square psi s square is equals to twice plus twice ACB. On solving, it will be represented by that is of -1. 1 upon root 2 will be cancelled by 2 to have the value of -1. Psi a square plus psi b square plus twice psi a psi b is equals to equation number that is of 12. On further solving, we have the value of psi 1 square is equals to psi s square plus psi b square is equals to 1/3. Inside of the bracket, psi a square plus psi b plus twice psi a psi b. When a contour diagram is plotted for bonding molecular orbitals, it is evident from equation number that is of 13, the net charge for molecular orbital is plus twice psi a psi b. It has been shown in that is of figure 2a. Psi a square, it is showing the molecular orbital diagram for first atom, hydrogen atom A, and psi b square the molecular orbital for next hydrogen atom, suppose we consider as that is of B, psi a psi b. It is evident from equation number 13, the net psi 1 square from equation number 13 is greater than the sum of twice psi a psi b. Hence one can plot the curve figure 2a. Net charge will be the sum of individual molecular orbital density psi a square psi b square is equals to psi 1 square. In reference of atomic orbitals, the maximum charge density will exist will be present in middle part of the bonding of nuclei atom A and that is of B. It has been shown in next figure 2a to show the overlapping of 1s bonding by the symbolized by the representation of sigma 1s bonding. The maximum, it is evident from figure 2a, the maximum charge density is present in middle part of both the overlapping area of molecular orbital by existing of individual psi a square, psi b square, that is equal to psi a square. It has been calculated, it has been evaluated, the maximum charge density which is present in mid part from equation number that is of 13. The maximum charge density it has been shown by figure second first and by that is of figure second B. The net energy density of first one bonding molecular orbital, which we have symbolized by psi 1 square, is the sum is greater than that is of psi a square plus psi b square plus twice psi b. Hence finally the contour diagram in respect of orbital first figure second show and that is a figure second first show the overlapping area of both, that is a molecular orbital psi a square psi b square. Dear students, now we calculate the charge density, electron density for bonding molecular orbitals in the case of strong bond formation to play extremely role in molecules for bonding molecular orbitals formations, strong bond formation. Once again, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice. Let us try to understand here. On the behalf of electron charge distribution density, how a strong bond is formed in various molecules by considering here H2 plus ion on squaring of equation number 10 and on further solving we have the value of psi 1 square psi c s square is equals to 1 by 3. Further one psi a square plus psi b square plus 2 psi a psi b. When we plot a curve for psi square, the contour diagram in regard of orbital, in regard of charge distributions, it is evident from figure second of the second part, the maximum charge density is present between both the nuclei HA and that is of HB, which proves the LCO treatments, its validity regarding the strong bond formation and is symbolized by that is of sigma 1s bonding here. Dear students, in whole LCO treatment of H2 plus ion, we calculate so many important quantum mechanical values, including mixing coefficient C1 and C2, bonding and anti-bonding E1 and E2. Finally, the contour diagram give us the authentic proof. By diagram regarding to that is of energy level distributions for that is of figure second of the first and figure second of the second here. Here you know, in the case of strong bond formation, the net charge psi 1 square is the sum of to separate its value of charge density to psi A to psi B. It is evident from figure second of the first and figure 2nd of the second. In coming lectures, we will plot the curve for anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Thank you very much.